Hello everyone, welcome to my mathematics class. Today we are going to study about set, that is the chapter number 4 in your book. So let's begin our today's class with the introduction of set. Set. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. It means if we have some values, things or objects, so if they all are having a common quality, then they can be written in a set form. So let's take some example. Set A is there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we see there are two important things. Number 1, set is always denoted by capital letter of, and the second thing is there set elements, or we can say the objects of a set is always denoted in between curly bracket. Here the element and objects both are same. Now take one more example, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So when we see in all the elements of set B, there is a common quality. What is the common quality? All these numbers are even numbers, and also we can say that all these numbers are multiple of 2. Now our next topic is there representation of a set. Representation of a set. A set can be represented in a different 3 ways. So first one is there description method. This is also called statement form. In this method we will define all the elements of sets in a statement form. But how? Let's see one example. Set A is there 5 natural numbers. This is a set form and it is written in a statement form. So this is called description method. One more we can say, yes, here 5 multiple of 4. It means here we can write down only 5 multiples of 4. This is also description method of representing a set. Now come to the second point, that is roster method. In roster form there are two things, that is first one listing of the elements, and the second thing is there each elements separate by comma. So when we are going to represent any set in a roster form, and the roster form is also known as tabular form. So let's take some examples. Here if set A is there, it is a set of 5 whole numbers, set of 5 whole numbers. So in the roster form we can list each element of the set and we will put comma after each element. So how can we write down set of 5 first whole numbers? It is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Look at here, all these elements are listed and after each element we will put here comma. And one more thing is there, element should be written in the curly bracket. Take one more example, set B is there, it is the set of multiple of 3. Common property is there, it is a set of multiple of 3. Now come to the third point, that is set builder form. It is the third way of representation of a set. In this form we will take one variable which represent all the element of set indicating by a common property. So now see the format, or we can say this is a key idea for representing a set in set builder form. So let's take one example. Set A is there and the element of set A is 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, then 62. When we see the element of set A, so you can identify which type of set is there, in which form it is written in the roster form. How can we identify? See, the each element is separated by comma. Now, and all the elements are listed. So in the set builder form, how can we write down? We will write it here. The first thing is variable x. So we write down x such that x. Now identify the common quality of these elements. So when we see all these elements are even numbers. Why we see all these elements are even number? Because all the numbers are divisible by 2. And also when we are going to write down the set elements in a set builder form, so we just find out the limitation of the elements. So x such that x is an even number, but here we also mention the limit. So limit is there when we see this is the 50, more than which number? 50 is there, and it is less than equal to x or less than to 64. It means 50 is the element of this set, and the less than number 64, 62 is less than 64. So this is the limitation of the elements. Now take one more example. Set B is there here. Set of 5 prime numbers. Set of 5 prime numbers. So what are the set of 5 prime numbers? When we see this is, we can write down here x such that x here now is a prime number. Now it's time to begin our exercise. Exercise number 4.1 only depend on definition of set. So I will provide you the notes, then you can understand. But now exercise number 4.2, question number 1 is there. Express the following set in roster form. And recently I tell you about the roster form. So what is the roster form? Roster form is a representation of a way of set in which we will listing all the element of set, and also we will separate each element by comma. So start with the question number 1, part A. So this is the exercise number 4.2, and our question number 1 is there. A part, set of all integers between -20 and -5. The question is there, we have to represent all these elements in a roster form. So let's see which numbers are there, which integers are there in between -20 and -50. When we go through -20 and -5, here -19, -18, -17, -16, -15, -14, -13, -12, -11, -10, -9, -8, -7, -6. All these elements are represent in between -20 and -5. So how can we write down set form? Set A is equal to -19, -18, minus 17, minus 16, minus 15, minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6. This is the representation in a roster form, which set of all integers between minus 20 and minus 5. Now come to the B. This is the B part of exercise number 4.2, question number 1. Set of 2-digit numbers greater than 79. So let first find out the greater than numbers which is 2-digit. More than 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Here why we don't write 100? We don't write here 100 because 100 is a 3-digit number and the condition is given there. It is a 2-digit number which is greater than 79. So all these numbers, those who are greater than 79, is the element of set. So this is the set. When we write down in curly bracket, this is the set form. Now come to the one more part we will do, that is part E. This is the E part of question number 1. Set of all consonant in the word Karnataka. Here which elements are there? We will write down here consonant. In which one? In the word Karnataka. So let's see which elements are there. K-A-R-N-A-T-A-K-A. When we see K is a consonant, A is a vowel, it is a consonant, it is also a consonant, then it is a consonant, and then it is also consonant. So in the roster form, how can we write down the element of these word? Consonant, that is first K, second element is there R, third element is there, and fourth one is there T. Now look at here, K is repeated. So when we are going to represent set element in a roster form, we will not repeat element. If any elements repeated, so we will write down only one time. K is already written. So how many elements are there? K, R and T. 4 consonant in the word Karnataka. These are the element of set A. Now come to the question number 2. In the question number 2, we will represent all the elements of set in a set builder form. See, this is the question number 2 and we have to represent set D in set builder form. Now see, the set D is given in the roster form and the element of set D is there 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66. So first let me remind you about the set builder format, that is X such that X common property. It means here one element is there X, which indicate all these elements of a set with a common property. So how can we write down? When we see all these numbers are even number, but see the first element 52, it is more than 50, and the last one 66, which is less than 68. So in the set builder form, how can we write down? X such that X is and which number? It is a even number. And also what is the limitation? The first element is there 52, which is bigger than 50, and the last element which is less than 68. Now the second part is there. It is set P, which is written in the roster form. The element of set P is there: 101, 103, 107, 109, 113, 127, 131, 137, 139 and 149. So what is the common quality of in between this element? All these numbers are prime number. Prime number means the number which is comes in the table of its own number. It means 101 is only divisible by 1 and 101. 103 is also comes in the table of 1 and also only comes in the table of 103. This is the quality of each these numbers. So in the set builder form, how can we write down? That is the first thing. We will take one variable which represent each element of the set, and then second thing is their common quality. So what is the common property? All these numbers are prime number. So we will write down x such that x is a prime number, and the limitation is there. First one, 101. So the value of x is bigger than 101, 100 and less than 150. So the value of x more than 100 and less than 150. I hope you understood about the question number 2, part A and part B. Now we will see one more part, that is the part C. Now come to the C point. This is C part and the set M is given there. The element of set M is September, October, November and December. When we see the common quality of all these elements, these all are the months of a year. So in the set builder form, how can we write down? According to the format of set builder form, this is x such that x is represented the element of set. So it is a name of the last 4 months of a year. So how can we write down? X such that x is the name of the last 4 months of a year. My dear students, this is the answer of C part, but when you see the answer of this question in book, it is misprinted. So this is the right answer. Don't be get confused. We want to write down our answer in the set builder form, and the common property is there. It is the name of the months of a year. Now one more is there, part D. Here D is there. Set F is given and the element of set F is there 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So in this one, when we are going to write down all these elements in a set builder form, so we can write down here x such that x is a prime number. Here why we see these all numbers are prime numbers? As I told you about, prime numbers means those numbers, the numbers which is divisible by only the number itself. And when we see 2 is divisible by only 2 and 1, 3 is also divisible by only 3 and 1, and 5 is also divisible by only 5 and 1, and 7 is also divisible by only 7 and 1. Same quality of 11. So it is a, this is the sign of such that. We can use this sign or we can use this 2 colon. Now, so x such that x is a prime number, and what is the condition? First one is there 2. So 2 less than x. it means the value of x is there 2. Then it is less than equal to 11. It means it is also less than but equal to 11. So now here your question number 2 is completed. We will continue our class with the question number 3. In the question number 3, one more new thing is there, that is cardinal number of a set. Our book exercise number 4.2, and the question number 3 is there. Write the cardinal number of the following sets. It means here you have to find out the number of element of in each set. So let me introduce you about what is the cardinal number of a set. The number of different elements of a set A is called the cardinal number of a set, and it is denoted by n of A. How can we read? It is n of A. So let's take some example. Set A is there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the element of set A, and the common quality is there. All these numbers are natural numbers. So number of element in a set A, it means this is the cardinal number of a set A. So how can we find out? Just count the number of element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many elements are there? 6 elements are there. So this is known as cardinal number of a set A. Now let's start our class with the question number 3. Question number 3, A part. Set A is given and the element of set A is P, Q, R, S, T. So the cardinal number of set A, number of element in set A is, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now come to the B part. It is B is there. So number of element in set B. When we go through the set B, there are repetition of elements. So repeated element we will write only single time. Here 2 is repeated, so we will count only one time. So here it is 1, or we can write down the element of set B in a right form. 2 times is there, so we will write down one time. Then 3, 5, here 2 times, so it is also one time. Then it is easy to count the number of element in set B. So number of element in set B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now our third part is there. This is the different part. It is in which form? It is given in the set builder form. So first we have to convert in the roster form. So when we see the element of this set, it means the value of x, by which number we subtract 3, then we will get the answer 2. So 1 minus 3, our answer is minus 2. When we see it is minus 2, this is a right? No. Now 2 minus 3, it is minus 1. 3 minus 3, that is 0. 4 minus 3, it is 1. But when we see 5 minus 3, so our answer is 2. It means our condition is satisfied. So the element of C is there only 5. It means the number of element in C is there only one element is there. So the cardinal number of set C is 1. Now here our exercise number 4.2 is completed, and we will continue our this chapter with the next class, and in the next class we will learn about the different types of set, and also we will do the exercise number 4.3.